How to enable on-screen keyboard in your window. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to the settings of your device. You can directly get into settings by searching from your search bar. So in the search bar, simply search for settings and then go to the settings. Now once you get to the settings page, head over to the left hand side of this interface. Now from there, go to accessibility. Now under this accessibility, scroll down a bit, and on the interaction there is an option as keyboard. Click on that. Here you get an option as on-screen keyboard. So simply turn on this toggle, and as soon as you do that, you will have the on-screen keyboard in your interface. Now you can use this keyboard to type in your windows, as you can see. Now if you like to close this on-screen keyboard, then you can simply close it from this tab right here, and with that it is again turned off. So that's how you can enable on-screen keyboard in your window. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.